Hi guys, just wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with dissolving MSM powder in water. So what I'm usually doing, I prepare this 10% topical MSM spray. This is normal filtered water. I mean, of course, first I add the 10% MSM. So I use usually a scale and a funnel, and then I put 10% in it. This is 8 ounces. So I was filling around 24 grams of this MSM powder here inside. You can see this white powder. I have it here on a spoon. This is it, just normal standard MSM powder. And so I'm dissolving this in the water to be used as a spray. So how does it work? This is already the second time I'm doing that. So I have quite some experience from the first time. So what usually happens, it takes a while for the MSM grains to fully dissolve. I mean, of course, when you Google for that, everybody says, yeah, okay, it will dissolve into water, but it's not as easy as it looks. This is now after a couple of hours and you can still see some residue, but not a lot. So I shake it again. Maybe you can see that a little bit better. There are still some grains now. I think you can see them. So it needs still a little bit more time until I can use them, because otherwise when I just start to pump here, they will clog the whole pump system. This is what happened last time. I also used it too early, maybe also in too cold weather. It's also a little bit temperature dependent. So make sure that you have nice, good room temperature. This was sitting outside in the bathroom overnight where it was pretty cold, so that also didn't help. So I really had just problems on the first day. Last time it was clogged a little bit and I just waited till it then fully dissolved and pretty much then automatically unblocked the pump system, which was clogged by the grain. So nothing really serious happened. I didn't have to take it apart. I didn't have to throw this away. I just waited, shaked a little bit, then used the pump a little bit later and it was working. So, but I highly recommend to give it some time, maybe 24 hours, leave it in a little bit warmer temperature, shake it every now and then, and after that you can use it. And if it still clogs, just give it a little bit more time and try later. Nothing to worry. It definitely will fully dissolve. After the first day, I never had any more problems. By the way, also the good thing, what I noticed, you have to be a little bit careful, but I still wanted to show you that. This is how it looks. It looks like normal water. There was never anything to see. I've always been worried if I use it when I'm wearing black clothes, like black t-shirt, put this into my face and then a few drops would go onto the t-shirt. It would turn white like the original crystals, but that has never happened. I don't know if that would be possible if you really use a lot, but I really use this every day in the morning. Spray this into my face and I love the thing. It has a really good effect for me. I will probably never stop using this. It's also very cheap. This huge bottle is only around $13 currently on Amazon, but you can also buy half size for around $7 or so. Lasts almost forever. I think it's really, really good quality. I use the Now brand since very long time for a lot of things, definitely also for the MSM. Highly recommended. If you're interested, I'll put down a link to the Amazon listing of this product down into the description, so you can click on it and order one for you if you like it. Highly recommended. I'm not able to talk about health benefits and these things. It's not possible anymore, but you can do your own research. You'll find a lot about MSM, of course, and so I keep using it. And if you're using it, it would be really interesting to learn from you what you think about that, and I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below. I'm always happy to talk about these things, and if you liked the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.